Another way to make money online is freelancing slash selling services. The main pro of doing this is that because you're selling your time, you have a high profit. Because when you sell, for example, physical products, like with dropshipping, with other businesses, on average, people keep 5 to 20% in profit. That means that for 10K made in sales, like if they make $10,000 a month, they're only keeping as little as $500 and maximum $2,000. For most people, it's going to be an average of that, like 10%. That means that even if you made $10,000 a month with physical products, you would only really be making $1,000 a month in profit before taxes, which is absolutely horrible. Like you made 10K, you only keep 1K before taxes. Like, whoa, that's insane. But when you sell services, your profits can be 85%. That's actually pretty low for services, all the way to 95% in profit. That's why, like, selling services was a great business model. But I'm going to be completely honest with you. Like, there's a better way to do things to make money online. And that is what's in the S tier right now, selling online courses. Why? Because online courses, it has the same pros as selling services, which is high profit, except that online courses don't have the downside of selling services. So what do I mean exactly? Online courses, they're very high profit. They can be 90 to 98% profit. Same thing for services, but online courses scale quicker, faster, better because you don't sell your time. Like if right now you're doing any kind of service, like let's say you run ads for people, for businesses, or let's say you build AI systems or chatbots, whatever. I mean, that's a pretty cool service, right? But you have to do the work for someone else. It's like being an employee. It gives you the illusion of, oh, I'm self-employed, I'm my own boss. No, not really, because you gotta wake up every day and like do the client work. And sure, you could delegate to a team, etc., but like you have to build this team. You have to know how to do the thing if you want to delegate, because if you don't know how to do the thing and you've never done it, well, then you won't really know what to delegate and what they're doing. Like, you can't check the quality of their work to begin with. And the problem is, if you want to get more clients, like, clients pay you on a monthly recurring basis unless you sell one off services. Like, for example, I'm going to build a website for $10,000, boom, it's a one time fee. But on average, services, you can charge monthly for that. Like, one of my clients is selling services in the AI space. He charges $10,000 a month per client, and he's working with 2, 3 clients. But like, he's maxed out and he works 7 days a week. He works like all day pretty much. So he makes good money, but like, he's got no time. And I told him, if you want to scale, I mean, the easiest, best way to do that is you sell a course. Instead of doing the thing, you teach people how to do the thing. Like, you sell the course on it. And now some people will be thinking, oh, but I can't start with selling online courses. Like, I gotta start with services because I don't have anything that I could package into a course and sell. Well, let me tell you first, that is not true. Like, honestly, the quickest way for you to figure out, like, what do I sell a course about is just click on the link in the description below, book a free one-to-one call with me. On that call, I will literally look at your unique profile and tell you, oh, you should probably sell a course about this specific thing in your situation. If you don't know right now, it's normal. You don't have the experience of doing it, so how could you know? Like, a lot of people don't know. But if you stop at, oh, I don't know, and you don't try to figure out, like, the how, well, then you stay stuck and you're not going to make any money. You're not going to have any fun. Because in this life, if you don't have a lot of money, I mean, life isn't very fun, you know? If you don't have money, I grew up broke, so I know what I'm talking about. And funny enough, I grew up broke. Like, my parents were nurses and nursing assistants, and we didn't have much money. And to the school I went, there were a few rich kids, you know, like in any school. And I'd see them on Snapchat, like when I did have a phone, because I had a phone like super late, and it was a phone which couldn't even have social media back then. So it's pretty crazy. But I was in middle school when Instagram came out, and everybody had it. I still didn't even have a fucking phone. Even though like I had to take the bus for hours every day, so I could have gotten lost or kidnapped or something. I couldn't have called my parents, so that's why they bought me a phone eventually. Which again, I had no internet and stuff on it, so it was just to call and text. But when I did have a phone, and like in high school, etc., or late middle school, and I had these wealthy kids on Snapchat, and I could see their vacations. I could see that they were, you know, going around in Porsches and stuff, and I thought, like, damn, they're not struggling like us, and you know, good for them, but like, I want more too. And if right now you are currently selling services, I mean, just package it into a course. You'll make more money, you'll have more fun. At least for me, like, I prefer teaching and making more money rather than doing the work every day like a fucking employee. Like, I started a business because I want to be free make unlimited money, and I don't want to be an employee. Like, that's the point. So for that reason, I'm still going to put services in B tier because it's high profit and you don't need like a huge amount of startup capital. You barely need any money to start this because the way you get clients is mainly reaching out to people or like running some ads for cheap. Like, you don't need to invest $10,000 like you would with physical products, but you're gonna cap out like very, very quickly. And if you want me to teach you exactly how I've made so much money, like I've literally made 4,300 US dollars in 48 hours. That was my record last year. Yesterday I broke that record. I made over $5,000 in 48 hours selling online courses. Like, it's mostly profit that goes in my pocket, 95% profit. Do you realize how fucking insane that is? And when I started, I wasn't a fucking expert. Like, people who are sitting there thinking, oh, I need to be the best expert, they just never fucking start. They never fucking do anything. And then they wonder why, like, it's not working out for them. They're little crybabies. Just fucking do it. And right now, you don't know how to do it. That's fine. I wasn't born with the knowledge to. I literally just went out of my way to find mentors who were doing what I wanted to do, selling online courses. I paid them, and thanks to them, I am where I am today because they gave me their knowledge in exchange of a fee. So if you want me to be that kind of mentor for you, if you want me to put all the knowledge I've got in my brain on how to sell online courses for thousands of dollars, it's so fucking fun. It's so high profit. You can click on the link in the description below. There's a free training, and then you can apply to book a free one-to-one call with me directly. So on that call, I'm going to take a look at your current situation. And if you've tried different businesses, I'm going to show you why it hasn't worked. But most importantly, I'm going to give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start selling online courses profitably today, even if you've got limited time. Now, if I were you, I would just click on the link in the description right now, book my free call right now, secure my spot, because I do have limited spots. I don't accept all the calls I get, and I don't know for how long I'm going to keep taking these calls myself. And at the end of the call, if it's a good fit, I might make you an offer to join my program and to be mentored by me specifically. But even if it's not a good fit or it's not the right time, you'll still walk away with a very clear step-by-step plan of what you need to do next. And I promise you, this will be so much more valuable compared to just watching a few YouTube videos. Like, seriously, when's the last time you spoke with somebody? Like, seriously, when's the last time you had a one-on-one conversation with somebody who's made up to $5,000 in 48 hours? So click the link in the description below, reserve your free call, and I will see you on that call.